Hi guys, today I'm here to give you an update on the Couchbed and to show you how to change the cover. I have had this Couchbed for almost 2 years now, as you can see in this video here, or there, somewhere. Okay. How I have received it, I was super happy to have it. Now, this Couchbed has been through a lot. It's really impressive, the shape of it. I know it's not the best of shapes, but for 2 years, I mean, it's been through a lot. Let me tell you, give you an idea what I mean by a lot. This Couchbed has been the sleepover Couchbed. It's been the gaming Couchbed. Even the dog took over it at some point, as you can see here. This is where he sharpens his little paws. Well, I could hear him, but I couldn't stop him because he was having so much fun. This is why it's so impressive. It's been through a lot. As you can see, the stains, chocolate milk, you name it, snacks. So it's really awesome, honestly. I love it. So I kept it instead of getting rid of it because I knew there's something that can be done to make it new all over again. And today I'm going to show you how to change the cover. This is the twin size. I love this color, but today I'm going to change to a darker color. So bear with me and I'm going to show you how to. Let's put the new cover on. Those are the many colors they carry. There's tan, red, black, gray, and blue. Blue is what I have. I have blue thinking it's gonna hide the stains and some of the mess. This is gonna help a lot. Perfect. This turned out to be easier than I thought it would be. I am so happy, especially that the zippers, both zippers, have 2 closures. So that helps a lot make things easier and faster. It looks so beautiful, like it's brand new all over again. So do not worry if you have a Couchbed. First of all, if you don't, you have to have a Couchbed because it's seriously one of the best things ever for a small apartment. If you have kids around, this cover is only $89 and it's worth it. If every cover, every Couchbed lasts I'm gonna say 2+ years because seriously, I had to test it a lot and that's why it had all this, it's been all beaten up. But if you take care of your Couchbed, it will last longer than 2 years. So get it if you don't have it, and if you have it, don't worry about it. Don't throw it away, absolutely don't, because you can have this cover for $89, and this is the twin size, and $119 for the queen size. Beautiful color, I'm very, very happy. I'm super satisfied. Stick around, I'm gonna show you their platform, because this couch turns into a bed, so don't go anywhere. The one thing that I would suggest is, because you are going to end up moving it around a lot, is just handles on both sides to make my life easier. Because usually when I move it around, it's like I'm wearing it like a necklace or bracelet. Like, that's it. So let's. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is awesome. I want my dog now. Alright, let's grab that platform bed. Our friends at Couchbed are so smart. So they came up with a cover so you can keep your couch bed forever. Don't worry about it. If it has stains or, you know, all the fun things that kids do. Just blame the kids. And then they came up with this beautiful base. It's a platform. So you can put your couch bed when it turns into a bed or mattress, and you can sleep on it. You don't have to worry, just sleeping straight up on the floor or the couch. That is so beautiful. Oh my God, I did not expect this type of platform or quality wood. This is amazing. All right, let's get this stuff out of the box. Those are the legs. So first I'm gonna get it out of the box, put the legs in. Oh, okay. Use that. Turn it, open it. Okay, this is just absolutely awesome. Look at that. Wow. Is this beautiful or what? Okay, this is me genuinely happy and excited, and I'm not always like this whenever I receive a product. Sometimes I'm like, no, I don't even want to do it. I am so happy with everything here, with this whole bundle. The couch bed itself and the platform bed or the base. Why? First of all, it's beautiful. The base is just really, really nice. It's not just like the crate boxes, whatever you can see every day online. It's like absolutely like the things that you can throw and fire every day. No, this is pretty. Second, I am a very big fan of everything you can just stow away and put away in storage, nice and neat and pretty, and you can carry with you. Hello, this is why I'm excited. We travel a lot, road tripping. So, going from a location to another, let's say vacation, rental, even camping. You know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take it with me. I'm gonna try it. I know, probably not good for outside weather, but seriously, if you are traveling, take this with you. You can just fold it up. I mean, this is awesome. And then take it and be like, hey, I brought my own bed, so you don't have to worry about me. This is beautiful. I love it. And it's so, so, so easy to set up, as you were able to see. And I did it myself wearing a dress. I'm super happy. Okay, there's more about the platform bed or the base and the couch bed on our website. Please follow the link. Take advantage of their bundle. I think you can save when you bundle up this whole thing, the couch bed and the platform. Leave a comment if you have any questions, because this is really exciting. I'm happy. And now, I think I deserve a break, although that wasn't really a lot of work, but hey, why not? One last thing before I let you go. I know this is intended for the bed, if you want, not the couch side of the couch bed, but I thought about something. Okay, and we're gonna do it together. I haven't done it yet. I thought, since this is how I was able to expand, oh my God, the platform, and it turned into a platform for a bed. Oh my goodness. I thought maybe I should try to see if it works as a couch as well. This is everything, okay? All right, this is just, I'm absolutely happy.